if we sail a little bit high?
Again.
Yeah.
What are you gonna say?
We want to build a plane and we have to paper plane.
Paper plane. You're gonna build a paper airplane.
Yes, then you got to do.
Okay, so you're gonna show them how to do it. Where's your paper? Right there. Okay.
No.
So do you want to say something else
And
before we start?
now,
That's it?
the telescope. The telescope.
Okay, so we're gonna
Like the
Start.
place that has a telescope.
So what we're gonna have to do with the paper, we're gonna have to fold. We're gonna need to fold the paper
Like
like that.
I-
Let's show them.
I help you.
Okay, you can help. So we're gonna fold it like that. You have to fold it from the center.
Folded by the center.
Okay. And then fold it like this. You want to talk to them about something else while we're making the airplane?
Yes,
What do you want to say to them?
I want to build a pirate ship.
A pirate ship. Can we do that?
Yes,
Oh my goodness, I think that's gonna be difficult.
I want to build it.
You tell them to subscribe
Subscribe for more videos.
for more videos. And
Please subscribe.
you stay here so that they can see you. Stay here.
Please.
Come on. To show them what you're doing.
Hi, my name is Ephie.
They know you already. What
Yeah.
else? What else do you want to tell to them?
Now we want to go and just make paper
For
airplane.
airplane. So, after you fold it like this, you see? So, we're gonna fold it like this. Like this again. Just wait.
I will
The
help.
reason why we're making a paper airplane is because Ephie was using a brown paper earlier, and it's from a convenience store, and he
That one is a
was showing it to
telescope.
me that, oh look, Tita Nini, I'm making an airplane and it doesn't really look like an airplane. Show them what you were doing earlier. Take the brown paper, that one. You take some. Show it to them. So he thinks that this is an airplane. Oh my goodness. I told him that that's not how we make a paper plane. So I'm showing it to him how to do it. So you'll have an idea.
Ta-da!
Well, if you throw that, it won't fly. It will just come straight to the garbage, right?
No,
Why not?
because it's going to be flying.
No, that one. Look at the brown paper. You think it's gonna fly?
No.
Oh, see? You know it yourself. It's not gonna fly. But this one, do you think this is gonna fly?
Yes.
Yes.
Now it's a boat.
So, even when my siblings and I were younger, so this is how we do it. So we're quite used to making a paper plane. So I just use an ordinary paper, not a bond paper though. But I think it's fine. There you go. See? Ephie, come here. Oh, you show it to them. Show your paper plane. Show it.
And I can fly it.
Wait. You show it to them first.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Now I can fly
You're happy?
it. Yes. I can fly it.
Okay. You show it to them how to make it fly. Go on. Throw it. Ah, another. Show it to them. You throw it. Higher. Wait. I'll do it. Another. Show it to them. You throw it. Higher. Wait. I'll do it. You sit over there at the chair. Sit over there. I'll throw it to you. There. No. Over there. One, two, three. Got airplane. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. I'm playing the airplane.
Oh, you show them your pretend.
Waka waka shamina waka waka shamina waka waka shamina waki
Show yung marap ko dito.
waka waka
Matthew.
Dance ka mami.
Dance ka pa. Ayaw na, pagod na. Pagod na rin siya. Throw na lang daw siya. Oh no.